So welcome back again at the fifth unit. So as of now, we discussed about that unit 1, unit 2 are matrices, unit 3 is Ranu tracing, unit 4 is the Jacobians we have taken. And then now we are entering into the integration, the continuation of the unit 4 with the applications. So here in this unit, we are going to see that applications of double integral. So what are that? Areas enclosed by plane curves, volumes of some solid regions, center of mass and center of gravity. So definite integral is integral a to b f of x dx gives the area under the curve f of x between x equals to a and then x equals to beta. So this area we are going to see that. So this is the f of x. So we are representing that region will be like this, okay? Now, areas enclosed by the curves. So we have evaluated double integrals of that integral f of xy dx dy can be written as like this term. Type 1, type 2. d2 x equals to a to b are the function. Or y equals to c to d constants are the function like this. Type 1 or type 2. So here the function is same. F of xy dx dy, f of xy dy dx, right? Now, areas enclosed by the curve type 1. So it may be looking like this. And x is equals to a to b. And if you see that a to b and y will be, this also maybe, these are all the sample curves we kept here. The curve is looking like this, like this, like this. But the concept is here, the x limits are constants, y limits are variables, right? Type 2. Now, y limits are constant, x limits are the variables, right? So maybe we can see that they like this. Now, in the evaluation of double integrals of the form integral of f of xy dx dy, if we replaced with that, this is the function, no, equals to 1, we obtain that area of plane region. Thus, area of plane region R is given when the f of xy equals to 1, we'll get that area of region 1, right? Now, type 1 in that, again, the area of type 1 region can be written in like this form. A to B, G of x to H of x. So you can get that the graph will be like this. And type 2, C to D. And then next function will be like this. You may get like this also. Then same, continuing the same manner, xy plane bounded by theta equals to alpha and theta equals to beta, r is equals to h of theta, polar forms term. R equals to g of theta, then the area of region defined by the formula like this. A is equals to double integral of r into dA equals to integral alpha to beta and then next h of theta into g of theta, r dr d theta, not like dx dy. This is the polar, no? You may get like this, okay? Next, at least one problem we can see that here. Find the area enclosed by parabolas y square equals to 4ax and x square equals to 4ay. So the graph you may get like this because you know that y square equals to 4. This y square equals to 4ax, x square equals to 4ay, you will get that. So both will be the intersecting here. Now you can see that how to find. Draw the curves to find the point of intersection, right? And then next, y square equals to 4ax, what you are going to do that? So if you put that y square equals y equals to 0, you are going to get that this. And then next, y power 4 equals to, substituting them, these values you are substituting here. You will get that at y equals to 0, you'll get that this, at this, you'll get like this term. Okay, substituting in that equation. Then the limits will be, you are going to get that y equals to 0 to y is equals to 4a. And then another limit, y is equals to x square by 4a to 2 root ax. So definitely you got that all these are limits, no? Now we can substitute here and we'll get by solving dy dx because already have taken, no, dy dx. From this you are going to get that, no, right? You will get that after solving that. What is that? 16a square by 3. And the second problem is using double integration, find the area lying between the circles x square plus y square equals to a square and the line x plus y equals to a in the first quadrant. Similar way, Nana, first you have to take that x plus y is equals to a ra, because this is the first quadrant they have, equation they have given. Using that, you need to find that the limits ra, because they have given the first quadrant also. So put that in the equation. You need to get the limits. No, put the equation. You'll get that another points x equals to a to y equals to a. So that you got that x and y will be limits like this, and substitute that those limits in the equation by using double integral. A is equals to that this, and with the help of the dy dx, you may get that answer. A square into pi minus 2 by 4 is the answer. 3, 4, 5, 6. I think many problems I kept. So you can work out that. So all these as a homework. Okay.